In today's video, we're looking at templates on Cryptohopper. Templates are pre-configured hoppers that speed up the configuration process. In this video, you will learn what is a template, how to create a template, how to buy a template, how to save and load a template, and what to keep in mind when loading templates. First, what is a template? A template is basically a pre-configured hopper. As you might know, the hopper is jam-packed with features, toggles, and sliders. Since these settings can be a little overwhelming, we've got templates. A template includes the following: the base config. The base config is the core instructions for your trading bot. Config pools. The config pools, on the other hand, can overrule your base config settings for a group of coins. Imagine you have highly volatile coins. The config pools allow you to use different sell settings and different strategies based on your coin. Signals. Signals from Cryptohopper's marketplace can be used to copy professional traders' moves. Triggers. Triggers are event-based actions you can use to build safety nets for your automated trading. Config pools, signals, and triggers are optional. A template covers all things you need to trade automatically with the regular trading bot. The templates for market making and arbitrage bots only include the base config and triggers. Now you know what a template is, how do you create one? Creating a template works similarly to creating a hopper. To create a template, click on View All Hoppers in the left menu. In the upper right corner, there are two options: Config Wizard and New. The Config Wizard visually helps you to configure a template, while clicking on New takes you directly to the base config. Not all features of the base config have to be used, but make sure you have configured the basic settings, exchange, buy settings, coins and amounts, and your sell settings. How to buy a template. Most marketplace sellers offer templates to support traders quickly set up their hoppers. In many cases, a seller will ask you to purchase their tailor-made strategy that complements your downloaded template. Check out Cryptohopper's marketplace and explore some strategies and templates from sellers to find out which template complements which strategy. Not sure about this? You can always reach out to sellers directly, since their contact details are shown next to their services. Next, let's talk about how to save and load a template. There are two ways to save a template. The first option is in the base config. There is an Actions button in the upper right corner that shows Save Template. This is also the first spot where you can load a previously saved template. The second option can be found under View All Hoppers. You will be directed to the list of templates you've already configured. Click on the Settings button next to a template and select the option Save Template. Another way to load a template is by using triggers. You can find information about triggers in another one of our videos linked below, as well as in our documentation. We should also mention that when you are loading a template based on triggers, you can determine whether to overwrite or not to overwrite your template's triggers. What to keep in mind when loading templates. When loading one of your templates, or a template from a marketplace seller, there are a couple of things that you still need to check, as trading preferences might differ. Coins and amounts. Are there selected coins that you'd rather not trade? Or are coins missing from the template that you do not want to trade? Buy amounts. Are the buy amounts configured to your preferences? Strategy. Is the correct strategy already included? If you keep these things in mind, you'll be able to get the most out of your templates. And that's it on templates. In this video, you just learned what is a template, how to create templates, how to buy a template, how to save and load a template, and what to keep in mind when loading templates.